Samsung 6.5 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine. WW65R20GLMWTL, white. Fully automatic front-loading washing machine. 6.5 kilograms. Warranty, 3 years on product, 10 years on motor. Fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Capacity 6.5 kilograms, suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. 3 years comprehensive warranty and 10 years warranty on motor from Samsung. Special features: easy iron, dip motor, smart check, tempered glass window. For queries assistance, please contact the support no. 1-800-726-7864. Maximum 1000 RPM, hygiene steam, diamond drum, voltage controlled, ceramic heater, digital inverter motor, 10 years warranty, 10 cycles, white, touch panel, disti, and brand shop exclusive model. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.